Good morning, children. Welcome to DEO Nalgonda YouTube channel. I am Rashekar, TGT Maths, TSMS Vemulapalli. Children, now we are discussing about algebraic expressions. What is an expression? The terms are added or subtracted to form an expression. The terms are added or subtracted to form an expression. Example: 3x plus 5, 7x square minus 3xy plus 6, 3xy by 7 plus 4. So, these are expressions. Here 3x is an algebraic term. Five is a numerical term. Why 3x is an algebraic term? Here 3 is a consonant, x is a variable. So, 3x is an algebraic term. So, the terms mostly, especially algebraic terms and numerical terms, are added or subtracted to form an expression. Here, in these expressions, algebraic terms are there. So, we call these expressions are algebraic expressions. The terms added or subtracted to form algebraic expressions. Once again, children, mostly the algebraic terms are added or subtracted to form algebraic expressions. Now we got an idea on terms. Terms are two types. One is like term. So, like terms are 3x, 5x, minus 7x. These three are like terms. Minus 3x y square, 7x y square, minus 1 by 2 x y square. These are all like terms. Like terms are with same variable and with same exponent. So, like terms are with same variable. Here x is same variable in 3 terms, 3x, 5x, minus 7x. X is same variable with same exponent. Here exponent is here 1, 1, 1. So, here also minus 3xy square, xy square is the same variables. Here xy square is the same variable, here xy square is the same variable. So, these are all like terms. So, another part is unlike terms. Example 3x minus 5x square minus 7x cube. Next part is degree of a monomial. Example 3xy square is a monomial and the degree is 3. Sum of the exponents of a term is a degree. See my dear children, here x exponent is 1, y square exponent is 2. So, 3xy square degree is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, single term monomial exponent is considered as the powers of sum of the powers of the term is a degree of that monomial. Next concept is degree of an expression. Here 3x square plus 4xy square minus 5x square y square. The degree is highest degree of the terms of the expression is the degree of an expression. So, here the degree is 4. 3x square degree is 2, 4xy square degree is 3, minus 5x square y square degree is 4. So, this expression's degree is 4. Next part is addition of expressions. Example, add 3x square minus 2xy plus 7 and minus 5x square plus 12xy plus 6. Already we have learned in our 7th class the addition of algebraic expressions. So, let us add vertical method. So, first we have to write one expression 3x square minus 2xy plus 7 and we have to write the another expression under that, so that same type of terms to be aligned with the same type of like terms. So here 3x square is there, and from second expression we have to write x square term. So that is minus 5x square. Here we have 2xy. From the second expression we have to write 12xy. So we write here plus 12xy, and here is 7 consonant, and we have to write under that consonant. So now we have to add these two expressions. So 3 plus minus 5 minus 2x square minus 2 plus 12 plus 10xy, 7 plus 6 we get 13. Another example, add minus 7xy square plus 12 and 5x square plus 2xy square minus 6. So we have to add these two expressions. So in this solution, first we write first expression minus 7xy square plus 12. Then we have to add write down second expression. In second expression we have xy square term, that is 2xy square, and constant term also we have minus 6, and extra term we have plus 5x square. Here we didn't have anything, just we have to leave it empty. So by adding 7 minus 7 plus 2 minus 5xy square plus 12 minus 6 plus 5x square. So by this way we add algebraic expressions. Next concept is subtraction of expressions. Example 1, subtract 7x square minus 11xy plus 12 from 3x square minus 6xy plus 4. Subtract 7x square minus 11xy plus 12 from 3x square minus 6xy plus 4. So solution, we have to subtract first term from second term. So first we have to write 3x square minus 6xy plus 4, first term from second term. So now we have to subtract 7x square minus 11xy plus 12. We have to write like terms under like terms. So now we are subtracting, so that we have to change the signs. Here plus 7x square is there, we have to change it into minus. Here minus 11xy is there, we have to change it into plus, and plus 12 is we have plus 12, and this one we have to change it into minus. Change signs. So 4 minus 12 we get minus 8, minus 6 plus 11xy, minus 6xy plus 11xy plus 5xy, 3x square minus 7x square minus 4x square. So these all things we have already learned in our previous class, 7th class. Dear children, we know already single term expression is called monomial. Example, 5x minus 7x square y, 3x y square, etc. The expression with two terms is called binomial. Example, 3x plus 5, 7 minus 4x square minus 8x square plus 3x. The expression with three terms is called trinomial. Example, 3x square plus 2xy minus 7, 4x square y plus 2x minus 6. The last one is the expression with more than two terms is called multinomial. The expression with more than two terms is called multinomial. All trinomials and more than trinomials is called multinomials. So now, especially in this 8th class, we learn multiplications of algebraic expressions. In that, first part is multiplication of two monomials. Multiplication of two monomials. Example, 5x into 7y. 5x is one monomial and 7y is another monomial, and we are learning how to multiply these two monomials, 5x into 7y. So, first we have to multiply 5 into 7. So, 5 into 7, and then we have to multiply x into y, x into y. So, 5 into 7 we get 5 7s are 35, x into y we write xy. This is one example. The second model we have to see 7x into 8x square. 7 into 8 we multiply first, then into x into x square. 56 x into x square we know x is raised to the power of 3, x cube, minus 6x into minus 8p. See my dear children, minus 6 into minus 8 we have to multiply, then x into p we have to multiply, minus into minus we get plus, 6 8s are 48, x into p xp. So, this is the way we multiply monomial into monomial, multiplying three monomials. Next concept is multiplying three monomials. Example, 7x into 3y into minus 5p. First we have to multiply 7x into 3y, then we have to multiply minus p, 5p. You know 7x into 3y, 7 into 3, 21, x into y, xy into minus 5p. So, here 21 into minus 5, into xy into p minus 105 xy into p xy p. Let us consider another example. Minus 6p into minus 2q into minus 3r. This is equal to minus 6p into minus 2q into minus 3r. Minus 6 into minus 2 minus minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12 p into pq into minus 3r. 12 into minus 3 minus 36 pqr. So let us consider the final model. Let us multiply a into b into c, where a is equal to xy, b is equal to yz and c is equal to zx. Solution: a into b into c is equal to xy into yz into zx. So xy into yz into zx. So x into x, we get x into x into y into y. We can write it directly: x into x, x square, y into y, y square, z into z, z square. So based on these all models, you can go through all exercise 11.1. Thank you all of you.